Yeah, a very warm welcome to everyone. Welcome to Social Prachar's career orientation session on data science and AI. And myself, Mahesh Babu Chana, I am the CEO and founder of socialprachar.com. And here is my LinkedIn profile, guys. So I am from IIM Lucknow, Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. And I'm an entrepreneur and I'm a career consultant from the last 5 years. And I have a couple of companies. So as a career consultant, I have guided almost like 5,000 plus students on different career paths in the last 5 years. And coming to my entrepreneurship, I have a couple of companies. One is Social Prachar, which I started in 2014. So this is our 10th anniversary year we recently celebrated. And in the last 10 years, we trained almost like 16,000 students in our Hyderabad branch, Bangalore branches, and also via online programs. And we have received around 9 EdTech awards for our quality trainings. And apart from Social Prachar, I have a couple of other companies. One is socialtech.in, where we are into a typical IT company. We work on application development, app development, and one more company called Vajra.ai, which I started in 2020. So Vajra.ai is purely an AI-based product development company. We work on AI chatbot development and WhatsApp API using artificial intelligence and NLP chatbot development, and also Truecaller for AI. So any business they can visit our portal and they can build some AI powered smart conversations. So they can provide effective customer support to their customers with our Vajra.ai chatbots and WhatsApp APIs and also Truecaller for businesses. So Social Pressure is not just a training center. We are an AI-based company who's work on like data analytics, data science, and AI. And also we do provide trainings on data science, data analytics, and AI. So we are a data science company, and also we do provide trainings on data science, AI, and data analytics. Yeah. So that is the reason all you will get the real-time quality knowledge on it. And to know more about me, you can just go to LinkedIn and search for Mahesh Babu Channa, and you can get my profile. And as you are like very new to data, like especially the data platform like data science and AI. If you go to my profile, there is an article here which I written like around 8 years back. How to kickstart your data science career. This I have written in 2017, long back, almost like 7 years back. So it's almost like 5 years or 8 years, I can say. It's on February 27th, 2017, where I have detailedly mentioned about how you can get start your career into data science. And at that time, it went viral on Seer. It went viral. It got like around 3,000 plus likes and 140 plus comments, where people from different countries they asked me around like some career guidance about data science and AI. So we are not new to this, Andy. So we are like early starters in Hyderabad who started teaching data science from 2015 onwards. So that's the reason we are have our own data science AI company. We do provide trainings on AI, and we take only one batch per month, and that too with only 15 students. And also we have course with real-time internship model of 3 months, full day. You can be at our Vajra.ai office and you can start working on behalf of our product development team. So if you need to know more about me, you can just go to LinkedIn, search for Mahesh Babu Channa, and you will get my profile. And also go to my profile, you will see like how to kickstart a data science career article. If you have time, you can just go through that. Okay. So let's get into today's session. So in today's session, we are going to discuss some important aspects of data domain, especially data analytics, data science, and AI. So the first point I'm going to discuss is what exactly is data analytics, data science, AI, and who is data analyst, who is data scientist, and who is an AI engineer. So as a point one, all you will get clarity about data analytics, data science, and the AI roles, job roles, and the other job descriptions type. The second point I'm going to discuss is why to learn. Why to learn data analytics, data science, AI in 2024. First, we are going to discuss about what. After that, we are going to discuss about why. And after this, I'm going to discuss about how to become a professional data analyst, data scientist, AI engineer in 2024. So what are the skills required to become a professional data analyst? And what are the skills required to become a data scientist? What are the skills required to become an AI engineer? So I'm going to give you a clear skill set. What are the topics you need to master in the next 5 to 6 months to become a professional data analyst or data scientist and AI engineer? What, why, after that, how? And after this, I'm going to show you a 5-year career plan. So today, all you are starting your career into data domain as a beginner, as a fresher. After 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, after 4 years, 5 years, what will be your job role? What will be your designation? What will be your growth? What will be your job description? What will be the hikes you can expect? Literally, I'm going to show you what you will be in the next 5 years if you start your career into data domain today. And this is very important for every one of you, because what you are learning today need to improve your lifestyle, need to improve your need to improve your life in the next coming years, right? And this is what exactly the point is. So I will show you a 5-year career plan. And at the end of the program, I'm going to show you how you can become a freelance AI engineer, where you can earn 40 to 50K per month by just working 2 hours per day. After your office hours, suppose you've done the course at Social Picture and you got a job on data science AI, and from morning 9 to evening 6, you are working as a full timer. After coming home, if you have 2 hours time with you, you can start earning another 40 to 50K per month if you become a freelancer. As we have our own AI company, we will teach you how to get AI projects and how to work on those projects, how to earn some extra income. Okay. So this is the agenda for the next 1 hour. And I hope this will be like a great session for you, every one of you, because all you are like planning to make a career into data domain. And these points are like must and should you need to learn beforehand to enter into this learning of the course. I have a question for every one of you. I hope like many of you are like interactive with other institutes also, because even if I need to take a course, I will check with 3 to 4 institutes. It's a common thing. My question here is like, any institute said anything about freelancing? Anybody here? So any institute said anything about freelancing? Yes or no? I don't want institute names. Just let me know in chat section. Srikant, no. Okay. Others? No, no, no. Okay. Fine. And that's the problem, and no institute will tell you all these. Problem is like all they are like just a regular training institutes. Their work is like delivering the content. That's it. They won't help you out like how to get the real time knowledge. They won't help you out like how to make that knowledge impact on the product development. But as we are a company owned, we can guide you the best compared to other people. That's the reason I am sharing all my knowledge to you all how to become a freelancer. So this will be the agenda for the next 1 hour. And feel free to ask any questions if you have, and make the session a great thing and get some great knowledge out of this in the next 1 hour. Fine. And I'm going to start with first point. So what's the difference between data analytics, data science, and AI engineer? So forget about AI for some time. First, we'll discuss between data analyst and data scientist. So these two will come under a platform called data. And data is a platform, data platform. Say same like we have developer platform, programming platform, cloud platform. Likewise, we have a data platform where data analysts, data scientists, engineers, data engineers, all they will work. So in these two words, like data analyst, data scientist, there is one common word. What it is? If you see these two words, there is one common word. Data, simple. So data is nothing but image is a data, text is a data, video is a data, GIF is a data, transaction is a data, SMS is a data. As we are using digital devices right now, we are generating lot of data every minute and every second. If you take the market 10 years before, there is nothing, no much smartphone penetration. Everything is like a traditional way of collecting the data. But now everyone is using smartphones. Even like in our homes, grandfather, grandmothers also they are using mobile phones, especially smartphones, and they are generating a lot of data. We are commenting, we are liking, we are updating, we are posting the images, we are posting the statuses. This is very crucial for every business to understand about their customers. For suppose, if you started a business with 100 rupees or 100 crores, if you start a business with 100 rupees or 100 crores, your ultimate goal is to get money and to get profits. Am I right or wrong? If you start any business, it may be an ice cream shop, it may be an MNC company, it may be a product based company, it may be an e-commerce company, it may be a school, it may be a college, it may be a hospital. If you start any business, your ultimate goal is to generate profits. That means to generate more money. When you will get money? When you get more customers. And when you will get more customers? When you provide what exactly customers are looking for, then you will get customers. So you have a business, and if you are giving some old type of products or services, no one will come to you, right? You need to change as per the trend, and you need to understand the trend, and according to the trend you need to introduce your products, services, so that people will come to you, they will purchase your products, they will purchase your services, you will get money. When you will get more money, you will get profits. Ultimately, for every business owner, the first thing is like he need to understand about his customers, and he need to understand about customer interests, customer behaviors, and customer needs, customer purchase patterns. So when a business owner understands about all these four, and according to those four, if he introduce services or products, he will get more money because he will get more customers. Am I right or wrong? If you start any business, you need to do some research about the customers, right? Hmm? Yes or no? Suppose if you need to start a big hospital, and will you construct that just beside Apollo? Will you do that? Obviously, no. We will do some research like where there are less hospitals, where there are more crowd, and where there are like people looking for the hospital related hospitality services, and accordingly we will construct our new hospital. Am I right or wrong? And the same goes for every business. And so ultimately, yes, Srikanth. Ultimately, for every business and every business owner, he need to get all these, and then only he will get understand about his customers. Then he will provide quality services, quality products. To understand about these four, I'm going to tell you one example here. Let's take Nokia. Why Nokia got failed? Anybody? Any answers? Why Nokia smartphone got failed? Because when we are child, like around 15 years, 20 years back, in everyone's hand there is Nokia phone, right? And it may be a like feature phones. At that time there is no much smartphones. But now, if you are seeing Nokia phones, yes, Srikanth, they didn't evolve with the technology. So what happened with Nokia is like it's all started in 2010 at that time. 2010 is like the early age for the internet users, and users are like keep on growing at that time. At that time, Nokia thought that internet users are like very less, so this is not the right time. We can introduce smartphones after 5 years. And in the same 2010, Samsung came to the market, and they done some research, and they thought that, and they sorry, nothing like thought. They went on some research, and they came to know that internet users are keep on growing like 1 to 2x per every month. Then they feel that this is the right time to enter into smartphone market. That's the reason Samsung started manufacturing smartphones from 2010, and Nokia started manufacturing smartphones in 2015. Because of this 5 years delay, Samsung got hit the market and they became a market leader. After copying Samsung, MI, OnePlus, Xiaomi, there are many other Chinese brands came to the market. All the hit Nokia users, and everyone who is using Nokia's feature phones, they upgraded to other companies' smartphone, and that's where Nokia got very very less market share, and now it is nowhere. So the main problem Nokia faced is like they failed to understand about their customers, their interests, their needs, their behaviors. And the same goes with Tata Nano cars. So the vision of Ratan Tata is to introduce a nano car with just a budget of 1 lakh rupees. And everyone's like middle class families' dream is to get a car, right? To have one. So his dream is to make sure that even a middle class person can easily buy a Tata Nano car with a just budget of 1 lakh rupees. His vision is right. His agenda is good. But why not Tata Nano got failed is simple. Even here, they fail to understand about the customers. They, they promoted Tata Nano car as like India's cheapest car. When you use some word like cheapest, people are not ready to come forward. Am I right or wrong? Suppose you are planning to purchase something, and when some that brand is offering that as a cheapest price, cheapest product, will you buy that? No. So Tata Nano got failed in celebrating or in promoting that product to the Indian users. And even now, like in 2024, apart from metro cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, if you go with other two tier, three tier cities, having a car is like a luxury thing. When a business is promoting a luxury product as a cheapest product with the cheapest price, we are not ready to purchase, right? Clear. And this is one of the reason why iPhone sales got increased in the last 2 years. If you see 5 years back, 1 in 10 users have iPhone, only 1 in 10. But now 5 out of 10 are using iPhones. Do you observe this? Anybody here? Anybody here? Did you observe like the iPhone penetration? Yes, 5 out of 10 Indians are using iPhone right now, and that got huge hit in the last 2 years. And the shocking fact here is like 93% iPhones, 93% iPhone sales are on EMIs. That means once you purchase a phone on EMI, you won't change for the next 2 years, next 3 years. Am I right or wrong? Again, here there is a hook, right? You are purchasing a phone worth of 1.5 lakh. Will you change for every year? No way. Because your EMI will carry forward for at least 1 to 2 years. Nah? So this is how brands are analyzing the users. They are providing the quality products with hooking like an EMI, no cost EMI, like that. All this is like a marketing and a simple. They are like every business is understanding about their customers, and they're delivering the products or services as per the customer interests, customer behavior, so that companies are earning more revenue, more money at the end of the day. Clear? So the point here is like the work of data analyst and data scientist is they will get huge volumes of data, they will study that data, and they will understand about the customer interests, behaviors, patterns, and they will list out few growth points, and they will share that growth points to the business owner, and this business owner will take decisions based on the data which is given by the data analyst and data scientist. And if he implement, like business owner implement that, he will get more money. Clear? అర్థమైందా అండి? సింపుల్ లాజిక్ ఇక్కడ. Anybody here who don't know Telugu? Anybody here who don't know Telugu? Fine. I hope everyone is good with Telugu. Okay, no problem. Oh, Raghavan. Okay, no worries, Raghavan. I will go with English. Okay, no worries, Andy. So whenever if you are not getting my point, feel free to ask so that I will repeat that again. Okay, fine. So the work of data analyst and data scientist is they will get large volumes of data, and they will study that data, and they will analyze about the customer interest, behaviors, purchase patterns, and they will outline some important growth points. They will share that growth points to business owner, and this business owner, if he implement that growth points, he will get more revenue. This is the outline. Now, I will go with one detailed example about how these data analysts and data scientists work. Let's take banks. Till 2020, banks are offering credit cards based on your savings account. Suppose in your savings account, if you have 2 lakh rupees, now one fine day you will get a call from your bank saying that, suppose let's say Srikanth has an HDFC Bank savings account, and in his bank account he has 1 lakh rupees. Now one fine day Srikanth will get a call from the HDFC Bank saying that, hi Srikanth, we are delighted to offer you a Delight credit card with a limit of 40,000 rupees. If you're interested, we will roll it out and you will get your card in the next 5 days. So till 2020, based on the amounts you have in your savings account, banks are offering you the credit cards. And that's the process at that time. But now in 2024, banks are not checking your savings account. Checking in the sense like how much money you have, that doesn't bother to the bank. They are relying on like where you are spending that money. Got my point? Same, take Srikanth example. He's having a HDFC Bank and in his account he is having 1 lakh rupees. Now he won't get any call now. But they will call him only if he is spending that. Where he is spending that. How much he is spending that. For example, Srikanth is a food lover. Now he is going to a restaurant every week. Whenever he go to restaurant, he will do a minimum bill of 2000 INR. And when the bill arrives, he will pay that bill via Phone Pay or Google or GPay. When Srikanth uses Phone Pay or GPay for bill payment, at the end of the day, the money will deduct from his savings account, right? Obviously. Now, what happens here is like all the transactions, what he is doing from his bank account via Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, everything will be stored in his bank statement. Now, these banks are hiring data analysts and data scientists. They will share all these statements data to those data scientists and data analysts. These data analysts and data scientists will study that by applying some mathematical formulas, statistical formulas, and some applying some visualization tools. They will make a report saying that on an average, Srikanth is spending 2000 rupees per week at restaurants and 1000 rupees per week on entertainment, 500 rupees per week on like some other travel related. Likewise, now banks has everything under. We are using debit cards, we are using credit cards, we are using net banking, we are using Phone Pay, UPI, Google Pay, Paytm. And in metro cities like Hyderabad, 90% users are not doing any cash payments. Even if you go to a chai shop, tea shop, even for a bill of 5 rupees, we are paying that via Google Pay and Phone Pay, right? And we are seeing that in the real world right now. It may be 5 rupees, it may be 50 lakhs. People are doing online transactions. Now, these banks are understanding who is spending more, where they are spending more, when they are spending more, and accordingly, they are customizing the services. So, in this example, let's take Srikanth as an example. He is spending every week 2000 rupees on restaurants. One fine day, he will get a call from banks, from his HDFC Bank, saying that, hi Srikanth, we are very happy happy for your savings account with us. We are very happy for that, and we are going to offer you a dining credit card where for every 2000 rupees or every 1000 rupees you spent on any hotel, you will get 100 rupees cash back. That means for every 2000 he is spending at the hotel, he will pay only 1800, right? He's getting 2200 discount or 200 cash back. Now what happens is like, will he say no or yes for this offer? He knows that he is spending more at restaurants, and banks are offering a customized credit card where he will get offers on restaurant bill payments. Srikanth, will you say yes or no for that? For that credit card? Srikanth, are you there? Okay. No, why? You are getting offer, right? At the end of the day, you are paying the same bill and you are getting extra 2200 discount. I think Srikanth is very good with financial planning, but normal audience like 9 out of 10, what they do is like they will say yes for that, because they can save money, right? At the end of the day, in today's world, saving is equal to profit. So when you save more money, and that will help you out in the future things, right? So the thing is like, before having that offer credit card, we are spending like 2000 per week. Now as we have the credit card, we can increase our spend to 2500 or 3000, because it's a human psychology. And when you are getting like 1+1 offers, we will hurry up to the stores. When you are getting a product with 99 rupees, we will hurry up to the stores. It's general human psychology. Likewise, what banks are doing is like, they are understanding about your money purchasing and all, and accordingly they are customizing the services. Now if you take HDFC has a 30 crore users data, and 30 crore users data, like how much they have, where they are spending, when they are spending, what is the minimum spend value, what's the maximum spend value, and who is like searching for the credit cards, who is searching for the debit cards, and who are eligible for the consumer loans, who are eligible for the car loan, who are eligible for the bike loan, who are in need of the personal loan. And this data will be given by the data scientists or data analysts to that HDFC teams, and they will collect all the data, and they will call everyone saying that, hi sir, we are offering you a personal loan, we are offering you a car loan, we are offering you a bike loan with zero EMI, with zero processing fee, etc., etc. That's how the banks are earning right now. If you go to Google, search like HDFC Bank turnover 2024, see 807 billion for the quarter ended on March 31st. For 4 months, they earned around 800 billion and into, sorry, quarter means 3 months, sorry, into four. So in 2024, HDFC gonna make $3,000 billion, sorry, billion rupees. It's not like lakhs or thousands, it's billions, and it's crores and crores and crores. Why this bank is getting more money means, they have an advanced data science and data analytic teams, and they are studying a lot about customer transactions and all, and accordingly they are providing the customized credit cards, customized debit cards, customized personal loans, car loans, bike loans. Because when someone is in need and you know about him, you will sell your product, right? Am I right or wrong? You have a restaurant and you are seeing like a group of people entering into that, and you will try to convince them to have more food, and that same goes here. Clear? So is this point clear? How banks are making more money by utilizing data science and data analytics services? Do you got the clarity at least? If it's clear, type clear. If not, ask your questions. Everyone who are in the session, please type clear. It hardly takes 2 seconds time for you all. There is a chat box. I need answers from everyone. Everyone, please comment there. Fine. Good. Thank you all. So let's move to some skill set. So to become a data analyst, the name is saying that data analyst means who analyze the data and who will report that, who will share a report of that. So the main work of a data analyst is, he will get large volumes of data in a database like SQL, for example. He will clean that data, cleaning in the sense like removing the unwanted data parameters and all, and he will analyze it. Analyze it means framing that in a right format. Plus, he will showcase it. Showcase means creating a report using some data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, or MS Excel, or Python. Right now, even you can use Python for reporting. So the work of data analyst is, he will get large volumes of data in a database. He will collect that and he will clean that. He will analyze that. Once he analyze, after analyzing the data, he will showcase a report by using any of these tools. Either he can use Power BI as a tool for reporting, Tableau as a tool for reporting, MS Excel or Python. Some companies will use Power BI, some will use Tableau, some will use MS Excel, some will use Python. That's the reason as a data analyst, you need to be good with SQL, Power BI, Tableau, MS Excel, and Python libraries. Clear? And the reports you will generate will look like this. For example, Power BI. See here, go to the images. So this is how the reports will look like in a graphical representation format. So you can get this type of reports if you use tools like Power BI or MS Excel. And this is very easy to read, right? And this will give a brief business information to the business owner. And according to this data, he will take some decisions. In previous example, data scientists are giving a lot of data about who is in need of personal loan, who is in need of car loans, who is in need of bike loans, etc. to the teams, HDFC customer support teams. They are getting all the data and they are individually calling everyone to check whether they are in need of those services and all, and they are selling it. Yeah. Ultimately, the goal of data analyst is analyzing the data and showcasing a report like this to the business owner. And by seeing these reports, business owner will take some right decisions. Is this clear about the data analyst role? Hope so. Any questions from anyone? Now, let's move to data scientist. Yes, please. Someone is put on mic. Yes, Pavan. Do you have any question?
Sorry, sir. It accidentally
It's
got
okay.
on.
Okay, right. Now, coming to data scientist role. Data scientist is the one who is already a data analyst. Data scientist is already a data analyst. He do the same process. He too will get large volumes of data. All this. He too will get large volumes of data. He too will do some EDA process to clean the data. He too will analyze it. He too will showcase it. But after showcasing the reports, he will do some extra work. That is he will use some machine learning models to do some deep research. And he will go some deeper into the data by applying some machine learning models, by applying some mathematical formulas, statistical formulas. He will do some deep study. After that, he will do some recommendations. Recommendations means the points which are helpful for the businesses to take decisions. So data scientist is like bit advanced compared to data analyst. Here, data analyst role is like preparing the reports. That's it. But data scientist is what he do is like he will do what exactly the data analyst is doing. Apart from that, he will build some ML models. He will do some deep research, and he will give some valuable recommendations to the companies, to the organizations. Suppose if a retail store like Lulu Mall or Big Bazaar, if they hire data analyst, so data scientist, what he will do is like he will analyze all the 6 months of the bills and all, and he will say like he will put on some points like what is the minimum purchase value, what is the maximum purchase value, what is the hottest items sale, and what are the items which are getting less sales, and what is the most active times in the store, what is the less active times in the store, and while paying the bills, how many are using credit cards, how many are using the debit cards, and how many are using net banking, how many are using phone pay. He will study all this. After studying all this, he will list out some recommendations saying that in the last 6 months of the data, 80% of the transactions happened via HDFC Bank. And out of that 80% transactions data, 30% transactions happened via HDFC credit cards, especially. Now he will recommend something like to the organization or to the business owner that, sir, in the last 6 months, we made around 3 crore rupees only via HDFC credit cards. That means 30 out of 100 customers who are visiting our store, they are having HDFC credit cards. For the next month, if we offer 10% extra cashback on HDFC credit cards, we can increase our overall sales from 2 crores to 3 crores. See here, this is how he can do some recommendations. Now, if the business owner agree with that, and if he implement saying that, okay, for the next 1 month offer, give offers on HDFC cards, give 10% extra discounts like that, they can improve the overall sales. Am I right or wrong? Do you got my point here? Data analysts
Right.
won't recommend anything, and they will analyze the data, they will showcase the data, that's it. But coming to data scientists, he will do some advanced deep research, and they will do some recommendations, and that recommendations are very useful for the businesses to take right decisions to increase their sales, growth, profits, etc., etc., etc. Okay.
Hi,
Do you
Manish.
got the
This is
clarity
Srikanth.
between data analyst and data scientist?
This is Srikanth. Am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead, Shrikant.
When data analyst generates a report, right?
Hmm.
So in that report itself, we will have all the segments, right?
That is like
On who is
he is
using what.
preparing. Yeah, that's what. See, the question you are asking is right. In that report, there is something like where we are getting more sales, where we are getting less sales, etc. But there is no recommendations, na?
Right. So
Recommendations. Hmm.
who will he present it to?
Business owner. See, if you are a business owner, you need to know about your customers, right? Because you are
Right.
busy in building your empire. You don't have much time to deep into the data. Now, these data analysts and data scientists are the one who will deep dive into the data, who will get some important points, and to showcase the points, data analyst is more than enough. But to do some research, applying some ML algorithms, and to do get recommendations, we need some data science skills, especially machine learning. That is the hottest subject here. By applying ML models, you can get some deep dive into the data, and you can figure it out the recommendations. So, for example, if you go to Google, search like weather report today. So in Hyderabad, today it is 31 degrees. But see, we have the trend right for the next 1 week. This is nothing but prediction modeling. And predictive modeling is one of the algorithm in machine learning. So that is what you need to learn. And also, there is one more algorithm which is very important. We can see in the normal use cases. That is recommendation algorithm. And for example, if you go to Flipkart, so here I am seeing a mobile phone. Let's say MI. So my plan is to purchase a mobile phone, and I'm just going through this page. But if you go down here, you will see something like, see here, you might be interested in. This is based on your catchy, like your what I say, your browser catchy and all. But here there is something like similar products. This is what we call as recommendations, where Flipkart is recommending me some new products because I am purchasing a mobile phone. I am in definitely need of power banks. I am definitely in need of wired phones. I'm definitely in need of memory cards, wall chargers, and also it is showing me some similar products which is like relevant to my search history, which is similar to my interest. So this is what a recommendation algorithm can do one day. And as a data scientist, your work is like building this type of products like predictive modeling, recommended modeling, ANN, CNN, RNN. So there are many things to come under. Clear? You got the clarity, Srikanth?
Yes. Thank you.
1 second. Yeah, sorry guys. So, so shall I move to AI? Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear? Still you have any questions? The comparison between data analyst and data scientists. Now I move to AI engineering. So the work of AI engineer is like mainly into product development. So there are two types of areas where we can do product development in AI. One is like text-based product development, and the other one is like image or video-based product development. So these are the two sectors right now. The lot of research is going on, and we are seeing a lot of real-time product developments. And in future, in every sector, AI is like revolutionizing it. So I think many of you know about ChatGPT. Guys, do you know about ChatGPT? ChatGPT. Yes. So ChatGPT is a platform where it is like your personal assistant. It will give you answers to any question you ask. For example, my plan is to make a career into data science, but I don't know what are the skills required. So what I do is like, I will go to ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT account. Here I will go to ChatGPT and search for like skills required to get start career in data science. So I just asked ChatGPT about my requirement. Now, see, it is delivering me a content. So what are the technical skills required? And what are the mathematics statistics required? And then like what are the tools required, like libraries and machine learning and data visualization. And big data is like not required right now. Cloud computing is like a good thing right to have, because the model you built on ML, you can deploy that on cloud. And also the communication skills. So it's given me a detailed answer, right? It goes on and so how this is working is like based on the technology called natural language processing and NLP. The advanced for NLP is like generative AI and LLMs, large language models. Clear? So this is the example of text-based product development in using AI and also chatbots. I think everyone of you knows about chatbot, right? If you go to, suppose, say, take Srikanth example. Srikanth is having HDFC credit, HDFC savings account. Now his plan is to have a car. Now he is in need of like the process for car loan, how to apply for car loan and what are the documents required, etc. Now what he need to do is like, he have two options. One is like calling to the bank. It takes a lot of time. You need to wait on the call, you need to press a lot of buttons, etc., etc. The second one is like, you need to go visit the bank, nearby bank, but even there is a lot of waiting. But now there is a third one, that is he can go to HDFC bank, and in this bank website there is something like chatbot, Ask Eva is like HDFC chatbot where it will answer you everything. Suppose Srikanth is in need of car loan, he will go here and click on car loan. Now he will it will ask like what type of car he is looking for, new car loan, user car loan, calculate EMI, apply. Suppose he is planning of new car loan. Now it will take him to the car loan page where amount he is required and the amount, how many years he need the loan and what is the interest rate he can applicable for, and he can check the EMI. And then it is saying that everything like eligibility, etc., etc. So now he don't want to go to anywhere, right? Within fraction of seconds, he can get all his data. These chatbots are revolutionizing right now. It may be a Zomato, it may be a Swiggy, it may be HDFC, it may be S Bank, it may be Amazon, it may be Ola, Uber, Oyo. In every app, you will see chatbots, and you can you can interact with them, and it will help you out to sort out all the questions. Because of this AI, BPOs are shutting down. Customer support teams are shutting down. They are losing their jobs. At the end of the day, company is not our favor right now. They are not in our favor, right? There is a quote even if you see the moment you die, company will have a replacement, but for your family fine. So that's what, like, in one company there are many are who are relying on that, and they have their own terms and all. So the reason why I'm saying why I'm showing all this is like, in every industry AI is revolutionizing because of text based AI product development. Content writers are not having any job right now, because we can prepare any content using ChatGPT, and there are like hundreds of tools and the same like ChatGPT. And we can create chatbots, and we can revolutionize customer support. So customer executives, telecallers are losing their jobs. So why I'm saying AI is revolutionizing means companies are investing more on AI technology. Okay. Now let's move to image or video product development. Now I need an image to post on my Instagram saying that a lion is sitting nearby a lake. But I am not a graphic designer. I don't know how to design those images. I don't know Photoshop. I don't know Adobe, Corel Draw, nothing, and I don't know anything. But now I need an image. What I need to do? There are two options. Option one is like, I can talk to any of my friends who is working on graphic designing, and I can say my ideas, thoughts, and accordingly he can create the image. Will he do that for free? No, I need to pay for them. But now you don't want to do that. There are many tools based on like image development and video development. For example, I think many of you know about Canva. In Canva, there is something like magic design, and by using this Canva magic design, it's a here magic design free online AI design tool where it will design any image as per your interest. Just need to give the prompt only. Magic Design is an AI design generator powered by leading generative AI technology. Use it to create custom on-brand attention-grabbing designs in seconds. See, just you can give a detailed prompt. That's it. The rest of the things AI will take care. See here, you are giving the prompt and accordingly it will design the image. And you can download that image and you can use that anywhere where it's required. Because of this, nowadays graphic designers are not getting the jobs. For suppose I need a video of the same. I need a video where a line sitting nearby a lake. So to develop that videos using AI, there is some tools like in video AI. See here, create videos with the text prompts. Publish in ready videos with zero video creation skills. You don't want to have any skills and nothing required. Type any topic and in video AI will create a video with script, visuals, subtitles, voiceover, music. It will add everything. See here, you are giving the prompt, click on create, and it will generate the image and the videos. Sound, everything it will add and you can download that and you can use that anywhere. So these are some examples where AI is revolutionizing and recently, like around 1 year back, I think one of our data science batch students developed a project for employee monitoring system. Actually, they developed an AI camera where if you install that in the office space, it will capture the moods of the employees. Who is sad, who is happy, who is anger, who is dull, who is cheerful. And they will share that entire accumulated data to the CEO or the HR team, saying that people are like, some are like angry, some are like happy, some are like dull. And accordingly, they will take some actions. See here. And even many of you are using facial detection mobile phones. If you see the screen, the mobile will unlock. And that is based on the image capturing and video capturing and using computer vision. So to become an AI engineer, you need to be good with some technologies like NLP, natural language processing, and generative AI for the text-based product development. For the image and video based, you need to be good with deep learning algorithms, same as like machine learning. For image video, we have deep learning algorithm. Machine learning is main for the text related and deep learning, and also some tools like computer vision and CV. Clear? So if you have these tools, you are like an AI engineer. Clear? Do you got the clarity? So data analyst, data scientist, and AI engineer. The work of data analyst is analyzing the large volumes data, preparing the reports. And the work of data scientist is analyzing the large volumes of data, preparing the reports, and also they need to work on recommendations and by using applying some ML models and applying statistical and mathematical formulas. And the work of AI engineer is like based on the data given by the data scientist, they need to build AI chatbots and then to build some products like chat GPT, text generation, articles generation, etc. And also they can work on image detection, object detection, product development. Yeah. Anybody, any questions till now? Do you got the difference between all these? If it's clear, type clear, make it fast. Then I will move to the next points. Still, we are in point 1 and the rest of the points are like it takes very less time. So first, if you get a clarity on this, then I will move to all next. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next point. Why to learn data analytics, data science, and AI in 2024? So I think many of you got this question in your mind, saying that there are many technologies in India, especially if you go to Hyderabad. At Social Prachar, we are giving only 2 to 3 courses like data science, full stack, and cloud. But if you go to any other Amirpet institutes, when you are entering into the institute, you will see a big board with 30 plus courses. Am I right or wrong? 30, and some institutes even offering 40 plus courses and different course names, different eligibilities. So at some point of time, we will get confused saying that there are many domains available right now, which is best for me. Okay. Now, as per the point one, which I tell you till now, like in the last 40 minutes, you got that the depth of and the main demand for the data analyst and data scientist. And now I will show you with one example. I will show you like why you need to learn this. Simply go to Google, search like best tech careers 2024. See here. See, even Google is using generative AI and AI overview. See, the first role we seeing is like data scientist. And if you search for 2025, see here, data science AI. And to search for 2026, data science AI. Data science AI is like the hottest on demand for the next 10 years. Why I'm saying 10 years means the reason is very simple. In Indian country, especially in countries like India, only 5% companies are utilizing data analysts, data science, and AI. And only 5%. We are going to witness another 60 to 70% companies who can start utilizing that in the next 5 to 8 years. Even if you take Indian market, 80% projects are we are getting from US, UK, Australia. That is the reason when there is recession in that countries, it will hit our Indian market. And even now, the same, and there is nothing much difference. But in the coming years, if you see now, Ola is fighting with Google, right? Google Maps and Ola Maps. Ola introduced a maps which is more best compared to Google Maps. And many Indian companies are fighting with MNC companies and all over the globe. In the next couple of years, we can have our own brand, we can have our own identity, and many Indian companies will start utilizing that, and the demand will be sky high. And that's the reason when you go to Google and when you search for the best tech careers for the 2026 also, data science is on top. The amount you are investing on data science and AI is like, it will give you 100 times of worth in your career in the next 5 years. In early 2000s, who learned Java, they became kings in 2010, and they moved to US, UK, and now they are like multi-billionaires. And the same happens if you invest more on data science, AI, blockchain, etc. Because all these are like the upcoming technologies. And there is huge demand coming up, but there are very less qualified people on these skill sets. Yeah. So in countries like India, our population is 140 crore, but out of that, internet users are just 60 crore. And out of that, when you talk about the companies utilizing data science or AI services is just 5%. There is another 95% who are not utilizing these type of roles. And that we will see in the next 5 years. Clear? So investing your time, investing your money in learning data science, data analytics, AI is worthy for every one of you, because all you are going to have a beautiful career in this domain in the next 5 to 10 years. And it's not a tool, right? So so when we talk about Salesforce or SAP or Oracle or testing tools, those are the just tools. Today we can use that, tomorrow it will be outdated. But this domain is like, it's not a tool, it's a domain. And data science, data analytics, AI will come under a domain where you are upgrading yourself every now and then, and there is no end for you. There is nothing like your tool got outdated. Okay, you are entering into a platform. When you are in a platform like development or data, there is no end for you. And what you have to do is like, you need to keep on upgrading yourself every now and then. You need to invest your time, money in self improvement, and you need to become your best. Then everything will follows you. Your passion, money, everything will follows you when you have the right skills with you. And in today's market, this is one of the best course who are good with mathematics, statistics, and who are not that much good with programming. Okay. So a data scientist or AI engineer is the one who need to be good with maths, stats, and Python. Here we are not covering the programming Python. It's only tool based. So it is very easy. It's very easy. Tool based Python and ML algorithms. Clear? And data visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau, because MS Excel is like outdated already. So if someone have these skills, you are like a hottest in the market. Now there is one hottest thing is like generative AI, prompt engineering. Okay, even we are teaching that, but It takes some extra amount and extra time for that. I will tell you. Okay. So is this clear for the first 2 points? Any questions from anyone? I'm giving you 5 seconds time. If it's clear, then we'll move to third point. Yes, Shrikant, go ahead. You said no. Like, do you have any questions? Okay, right. Thank you. So feel free to ask questions. And you can treat me like your brother. Okay. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్ యూఆర్ కమింగ్ హియర్ టు గెట్ సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్. ఏది ఇప్పుడు మీరు మా దగ్గర జాయిన్ అవుతారా అవ్వరా, దట్ సెకండరీ అండి. ఐ డోంట్ బోదర్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. కానీ ఇలాంటి సెషన్స్ అనేవి బయట ఎక్కడ దొరకవు. ఇఫ్ యూ కాల్ టు ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్, వాట్ దే డూ ఇస్ లైక్, ఓకే, కోర్స్ ఫీజ్ ఇస్ దిస్ మచ్, అవర్ ట్రైనర్ ఈస్ 100 years of experienced candidate, కమ్ అండ్ జాయిన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఎందుకు, ఏంటి, ఎలా, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు ఫీజు కట్టకముందు ఎవరు చెప్పరు. Kabatti, you can make utilize of it. And I have a lot of experience in running an AI company and also running training institute from the last 10 years. And even like we are training data science, data analytics AI from the last 9 years almost. When I started teaching data science in 2015, we are like third institute in entire Hyderabad. Now there are hundreds of institutes and we are very proud that 30% of the institutes are copying our curriculum. They every now and then come to our website, they will download our curriculum and they will make use of it. We have very vast experience. I have my own data analytics and data science AI teams. So where they are working for Vajra.ai. Kabatti, meek mind lo elanti questions unna gaani, I'm happy to help you out. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, please.
మనకి జాబ్ అసిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్? అంటే అసిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
Good. I will come to that point. Inka avaledu. I will detail explain you about this. Okay.
Sure.
Right. Fine, guys. Let's move to the third point. How to become a professional data analyst, data scientist, and AI engineer in 2024. Now, let's go back here. Yes. So, in data platform, first we need to get started with data analytical skill sets. This we consider as a beginner level and data analyst skills. After that, you need to upgrade to data scientist skills. This is like a mid-level. And then AI engineer skills. So, as I said earlier, to be good with data analyst or data analytics, you need to be good with SQL, Power BI, Tableau, MS Excel, and Python. And to become a data scientist, you need to be good with all of this. Apart from that, you also need to be good with ML algorithms. There is 14 algorithms, and I just showed you 2 algorithms: predictive modeling and recommendation. Likewise, there are 14 algorithms which are very important. After that, you need to be good with stats, maths. In mathematics, you don't want the entire mathematics. Linear algebra, calculus, probability. Those three topics are more than enough. And even if anyone of you who forget that, and then there is no problem for that. We can recap that formulas. And to become an AI engineer, you need to be good with all of these. And apart from that, you need to be good with NLP, natural language processing, deep learning, and computer vision. And now the on-demand one is generative AI. So if I remove this first. So these are the most on-demand skill sets. So data analyst is not data scientist, but data scientist is already a data analyst because they know everything. And AI engineer is like everything. And they know data analytics, they know data science, and also they are very good with AI engineering. And now there are a few advanced topics which if you have that in your resume, it will be like a good weightage. And so in that few advanced topics, the first one is like AWS or Azure. See, the work of data scientist is like you are the one who will build some machine learning models. And many institutes, what they do is like they will tell you to deploy that models on your local system using like what I say, Flask. Flask is a tool. It will help you to deploy your models on your own machine, like on your own laptop. But at Social Prachar, we will teach you AWS for the cloud deployment. In every IT company, there are different teams: development team, data team, deployment team. So now the companies, what they are looking is like if someone knows how to build the ML model, if someone knows how to deploy that, especially in cloud deployment, companies are giving preference to them. So that is the reason at Social Prachar we are going to teach you that. And also extra, if you have some knowledge on generative AI, like building the large language models and prompt engineering, it will make a good asset. But it's purely optional. The thing is like to learn again generative AI, it takes another 1.5 months. So that's the reason. It's like your course will be like more hectic, and it will be around 8 months if you add all these. That's the reason to cut down that we made this as an optional right now. But these two will come under advanced topics. Clear? So in this, we will teach you this AWS Azure are for free of cost. We don't charge anything for this. But generative AI, there is some extra time and extra money you need to pay for that. Okay. And apart from these technical skills, you need to be good with communication skills. It's everything, and because as I said earlier, 80% of the companies who are coming for hiring data scientists are from US, and your client will be from US or UK, and they know only English. You must need to good with English. Clear? So this is the skill set. And as I said earlier, we are a company based, right? We developed our own products on using AI, and especially facial detection and voice analysis. I will show you one real example. Now, see, you will get some points in your mind. Everything is good. Mahesar is telling some good points, but there is some extra reason, right? Extra question in your mind, like why I need to choose social Prachar to get start your data science career. I will show you one example. You will get a clarity. At Social Prachar, we developed our own AI tool for interviews. See, interviews.socialprachar.com. Click on this interview preparation. Here, there is something like start technical interview. Here, log into your account. One second. Click on start practice. Log into the account. What's happened here? Yes. Click on interview preparation. Click on start technical preparation. Start practice. Select data science. Or you can practice anything, and this is an AI tool for that. Click on data scientist. Role related. Click on start practice. Now it will take your compatibility, and also it will take your camera access. Click on start practice. See here, now it will ask you a question, and
Hope you're having a great day.
what is the
My name is
role of
Sanjay,
cross
and I will be
validation
your
in
interviewer
model
for this
validation?
round. Let's begin.
Now you need to answer that with your voice.
What is the role of cross-validation in model validation?
Once you're done with that, based on the answer you are providing, it will ask you one more question. And based on that, it will ask you one more question. It will change the questions as per your answers. And it will ask you like around 10 or 15 questions like that. And after the completion of this, click on exit practice. If you go to the reports here, see here, we will give you a detailed report about your performance. One second. We recently launched this around 1 month back. See here, someone got 75%. So click on this view analytics. We can give you a detailed report about your domain knowledge, about your communication skills, about your body language. So this is the question we have asked, and this is the answer given by you. And we will analyze that answer using ML algorithms, and we will define what went well, means what exactly the correct points from you, and what could be better, and what are the missing terminologies. And also we will give you some recommended response, like how you can improve your answer. For every question, we will give you like exact line. What the question asked, what is your answer for that, and what went well, what could be better, and what are the missing terminologies. And go to the communication here. We will analyze your response. We will tell you like where are the grammar mistakes are happening, what are the filler words, what is the speech rate. Here we are analyzing your speech to text model. Speech to text. You are giving a speech and we are analyzing that. And if you go to the body language, here we will analyze your voice and we will analyze your facial detection, your eye contact and your head facing center or not, and your confidence level, your speech rate, volume of speech, and wherever you take long pauses. We will give this detailed analysis for every question and every answer you are explaining. Likewise, we are going to give you a detailed report about your performance. I'm challenging that no institute have all this type of one. This is our own product and we build with help of our Vajra.ai team. This is the real example how the product development is and how you are going to get this type of real-time knowledge once you join at Social Prachar. Okay. Let's go back here. So where we are, yes. So coming to the skill set, this is the skill set you need to be good with. And coming to our programs. So 1 second, we have a detail like multiple programs. So we have 2 job placement assistance programs and one is for the job guarantee program. When we say guarantee means it's not like a fake guarantee. It is like a promise that we are with you till you get the job. Learn till you get placed, LTP under it. So that's what we posted on our website itself. To go to our data science page, see, learn till you get placed. It may be 1 interview, it may be 100 interviews, it may be 1 month or it may be 1 year. Till you get the placement, we are with you. See, talking to the companies, getting the JD requirements, scheduling you to the interviews, we will take care. And even currently now, there are like multiple companies, our students are like are in the pipeline. And if you check our HR email, so recently, one of our student, like 1 month back on July, she got a job with 10 LP, sorry, 7.5 LP, and her name is Harika Gali, DS engineer. So this is her offer letter. She joined on July month and with a Hyderabad-based company. It's a startup and mid-level and NATO MNCs are not hiring, but they just started hiring and I will show you that also. See, she joined on 10th July and her package around 7.5. So it may varies from company to company and okay. And yesterday we talked with the Oracle and Oracle started hiring data science freshers. So we have a channel where every interview we got, we'll post that on that. So recently, like if you check our data science related, see we got a couple of companies. One is like this one we got on September 6th last week. So they are conducting interviews for AI ML positions and they shared a task for us and we shared this task JD to our students and they are working on that. And one more on September 5th. And they need like both AWS and data science people and so even this Tensargo is a data science company and they are hiring for both cloud engineers. 1 second, I will show you that. They share the JD. Yes, here and this is the JD. They need 2 people and they need computer vision engineers and also they need DevOps. So initially, while training period, they are paying 15,000 per month, and after that they will increase. Right now, because of the market dull, majority companies are giving like internship, pre-placement offers and so these are not like only internships, come under pre-placement offers, internship with pre-placements. So we have like see here, permanent offer letter based on the performance after the 6 months period. And we convince these people for 3 months internship and based on the students' performance. And now even this company, we got like 3 days back, we scheduled some profiles. See, September 13th, September 16th. See, no institute is doing, everyone is like hands up saying that market is dull. But even in the last 15 days, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 4 companies and where our students are like in interviews. And we have a channel here. So yesterday, Oracle started hiring and all the MNC companies, what they are doing is like they are hiring people directly and they are not hiring from individually. See, this is the post from Oracle saying that they have people, they are in need of people for data science and AI. And if you see the skill set here, see here, 0 to 2 years they are in need of, and they need from computer science background people, Python related, and see ETL process, extract, transform, lead, and PL and SQL. So for these skills, data scientists are eligible and also full stackers are eligible. They both can apply. So whenever we got MNCs like this, we will publish that on our channel itself, like this. So, and we got one more company yesterday for 6 LP, but these were the full stackers and they need Java with Docker knowledge. And that is the reason we are conducting a Docker session today and for free of cost. See, as per the company requirements, we will train you accordingly. Not only for data science, full stack, whatever the JD is, We will get the JDs first. And as per the JD, if they are need of some other extra skills, we are teaching that skills for free of cost. Yeah. So the reason here is like we take only one batch per month, and that too with just 15 students. So this month September batch is going to start on September 23rd, coming Monday. When there is 15 students and only one batch per month means we have very limited candidates. And out of these 15 students, some will go for abroad, study abroad, some are like experienced. So they won't rely much on us. So obviously, if you are perfectly learning the subject, we are there for you till you placed, as we have very less students. Yeah. And we have like a couple of programs for experienced or for working professionals. We have like data analytics program for 3 months, data science for 5 months. This is only for the working professionals and also people who are going for study abroad, who are not serious about the job, who are not freshers. But if you are at 23, 24 passed outs and if you are serious about the job, we have course plus internship, total 7 months program. First 4 months, you are learning data analytics, data science. In the last 3 months, it's a full day. You will work at our AI company where 1 hour AI classes, the remaining 6-7 hours, you will work on project development. You need to build machine learning models. You need to build AI chatbots for our clients. And also you need to work on facial detection, image detection projects. And based on your performance, you can also get stipend in the internship while you're doing. In the last 3 months, per month, you can get up to 15K. Likewise, you can get up to 45,000 in overall internship period. And this internship will continue till you get the job. You can mark my words. It may be 3 months, it may be 4 months, it may be 1 month even. If you get the job, you can drop out from this and you can go to the. If you're not getting the job, till you get the job, this internship experience will carry forward. That's how we are filling your profile. Okay. And at the end of the program, you will write IBM exam and Microsoft exam, and then like Harvard University exam. And after that, you will get course completion certificate from Social Prachar and internship certificate from AI company. So you will get 6 months of course completion certificate, 6 months of internship certificate. And whoever 23, 22 passed out, you will get 9 months of certificate, internship certificate with a salary certificate saying that you got salary. All this will help you out to make yourself a strong thing that recruiters will assume that you have the real-time knowledge and also you got the certificates. Okay. If you learn course with other institutes, they won't give you any internship certificates, and that won't come from the AI companies. They just give you the course completion certificate and you will be treated as a fresher. But at Social Prachar, everyone will set interviews as an intern who is having a real-time experience of 6 months. So that is the reason you will get good number of opportunities and you can get better pay. And right now the overall market is dull, but slowly the market is getting on track. And this is the example. See, Oracle is a big company. They started hiring data scientists and full stackers. They just posted yesterday and 18th September, yesterday evening at 6:30. Okay. So this is one of the positive sign I can say. And what all you need to do is like you need to be good with the knowledge. That's it. The rest of the things we will take care. See here, data engineering roles, ETL, data processing, data storage, all this come under the data domain, right? Python, we are covering. SQL, we are covering. Okay. Fine. So the upcoming batch is going to start on Monday, and whoever interested, you can join to that. And I am not the trainer, Andy. So trainer is Sangeet Kumar. So he is a real-time working professional. He is going to take the classes. So he is an open certified AI expert, and he is working with a company called Grammarly. So he is an IBM certified, OpenAI certified LLM expert. So he's working as a computer vision NLP engineer, and he done his MS on data science itself. And he's working with data science from the last couple of 7 years almost. Okay. So training, projects, resume building, CRT sessions, spoken English sessions, everything we will take care. We have apps for everything. And for mock interviews, we have our dedicated AI tool. And for spoken English, who are not much good with English, we have an AI tool called CV, where an AI chatbot will teach you how to speak in English. It will correct your grammar. It will correct your sentences. Okay. For everything, we are using some most advanced tools. And we have an online program and an offline program. Either you can join online or you can join offline. So we have a dedicated mobile app. We have Android app and iOS app. Every day, every class will be recorded and you can see that recordings in the mobile app. And first 4 months, you can join online or you can come to offline. But when there is an internship started, you will get an internship welcome letter from the company, joining date and the onboarding time. And also you will get company ID card and then company email ID. It's a purely corporate style of internship. Okay. And also if you perform good, you will get monthly salary also as a stipend model. Sir, is that our choice if I go only for? Yes, you can, and you can Spurti, you can go on data analytics. But the thing is, like, companies are not much hiring data analysts. Data analyst role is like very beginner level, and moreover, it's getting outdated. See, let's take a real example. You are very good with data analytics, and you went for the interview, and you cracked it, like saying that you perform your best. After your interview, there is some other who went for the same company. He performed above average. He's very good with data analytics, but also he's good with data science. In that case, who will get the job? You or some other person? He know data analytics, he also know data science, and is performing above average. So companies won't hire you on it because they will say that you are not updated. See, the main problem in corporate right now is like, yes, I will come to that point, Spurti. Good question. See, the main problem with corporates right now is like they are not investing on trainings. So the market is completely different before COVID and after COVID. Before COVID, companies are investing on trainings. If you take Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, any more startups, they are hiring the good candidates who is having good communication skills and good interpersonal skills, and also who are fast learners. And after that, they will put you on 6 months of training period and they will pay you the salaries. But now, how many companies are doing that? No way. But there are some good companies, and recently we got a company, and yesterday only we just completed them the introduction part. The company called Volga Technologies. So they hired our trainer for this today, and so we had completed one corporate training in the company called Volga Technologies. See, we even provide corporate trainings on AI, ML. So there are some startups who are investing on the employees, but many are like they're not doing it. So this is our corporate training center. And we recently completed one corporate training with a company called Sijlia. Sijlia is like US based company. So this is based out of Jubilee Hills, but they have branches in US, Canada. We recently completed one corporate training there. So we do provide corporate trainings, we do provide student trainings, online trainings, classroom programs. So we have very well experienced in data science, especially because we are here from the last 9 years. So you will get the complete knowledge and also the complete job support till you get the job. So I don't want to use some words like job guarantees, job assistance, job support. These are like misused terms. But what we can truly relate is like we are taking only one batch, that too with 15 students. So whoever trusting us, we will help you till you get the placement. It may take some time, like in the periods of recession like this, it may take some time. But at the end of the day, as the crowd is very less, you will have more priority and you can attempt more interviews. Okay. And the batch is going to start on Monday. So whoever interested, all you will get calls today afternoon. So share your interest to join the batch, and Sangeet sir will take the classes. So here is his profile, where it is. Yes. So he is the one who is going to take the classes. Okay. So he's very well experienced, and he is into the trainings also from the last 4 years. He's into the platform from the last 7 years. He's working with a company called Grammarly. So I think many of you know about Grammarly. It's a San Francisco based company in the United States. So it's an MNC where they work on NLP and grammar checking tool. Yeah. Any questions till now? Any questions? So for every 15 days, there is an exam or there is a mock. And 15th day exam, 30th day mock, 40th day exam. For every 15 days, there is some checkmates. What all you are learning in 15 days, you are going to implement that. And we have dedicated like a material system app, and also we have like recorded videos. Also every day, every class will be auto recorded, so that you won't have any problem. And we have like POC for every batch, means point of contact. For every 15 students, there is one person who can monitor your progress, your attendance, assignments, mocks. They will be like your friend who can guide you all the way who can know about your problems and all, and they can give you effective solutions for that. Yeah. There is nothing like POCs in any other institutes. Once you pay the fee, if you are not on track, they will take light. But here, if you are not on track, we will take the reason and we will help you out why you are on track, and to arranging some backup sessions for you, and checking your progress and all. We will help you out with that. There is nothing much difference, and first 4 months is like easy to go, and online is like a live interactive, offline is like live interactive. So trainer will be connected to the Bluetooth, and he will talk to online people via Bluetooth, and the people who are coming to classroom, he will talk like in person. There is nothing change in the delivery of the connector. His laptop is connected to the projector. Who are coming to the class, they will see the projector. Who are joining online, they can see the laptop screen. So based on your what I say, like the flexibility, you can join online or you can join offline. But my sincere recommendation is like, if you are living surrounding in Hyderabad, better come to offline so that you will get some good networking. And after the class, there is mentor who can sit beside you and who can help you out. Okay. And people who are coming from non-IT, good questions, Purti. See, this is data science is not like pure IT. Data scientist is the one who need to be good with mathematics, statistics, analytics, and programming. And even in programming, we have only one, that is Python. So even data analytics, Python is important. For data scientist, Python is important. For AI engineering, deep learning, Python is important. And Python is like very easy tool and compared to Java or any other programming language. And also here in Python, we are learning tool-based Python, not like programming. There is no OOPS concepts. So that nothing to worry. When there is OOPS concept like object-oriented programming, then you will feel some hectic. But here we are not using any OOPS program. Okay? It is very easy to learn. So if you are interested, we'll teach you the OOPS also, but it's not that optional for the people who are coming from non-IT. Okay? It's clear? Anybody, any questions from anyone? So if it's clear, then I will move to the fourth. Yes, please.
So Mahesh, this is Shrikant again.
Yes,
So if we join this course by any chance after completion of data analysis, can we join for internship so that we'll get a real-time hands-on and then continue with the data science?
Yes, you
With
can,
that,
you can. Yeah, you can. See, working, I think you are working professional, right, Srikant?
I was working, but right now I have taken break. I'm in India.
Okay. See, data analytics, there is nothing much to do in the internship. Our internship is mainly focused on machine learning model development and AI product development.
Okay.
So the role of data analyst is like, you will get large volumes of data and you will just make a report, right? There is nothing much to do. Even if we give you a data set of 1,000 rows or 10,000 rows, the work is same, just generating a report. So
Okay, got it.
my sincere suggestion is like, you can make AI as an optional, put more focus on data analytics and data science, and with the data science internship. If time is a constraint for you, you can go with like this. Okay.
So for the data science to get it completed, how many months
4 months.
is it?
4 months, yeah.
4 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
So even we have like parallel batches. If there is a time constraint, we can complete that in 3 months also. But I won't recommend that much, because we can inject you the subject in like day by day manner. So starting will be little slow, but it will keep on increasing from month to month. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Others, any more questions? See, we are not like other institutes just to share you for the links to apply for the jobs. And we have a HR team where we will communicate about your profile to the company, and then we will share you the task which is given by the company, and we will take care of end to end, and getting the company job description, scheduling you for the interviews, and conducting round 1, round 2, round 3s like that, and getting the feedbacks for every round. And if you got failed, we'll check like where exactly you got failed. If you got success, we will get that offer letters and all, and the joining dates.
So, sir, when it comes to data science, right? So, data analysis is overlapping with the data science, right? So, can't I take it parallelly that, like you were suggesting, that you might even have that parallel classes going on, right?
Yes, you can do it, and no problem. If you're okay to put some more extra time on this, then we can give you a plan of action. When to start, where to start, how to get the parallel classes and all. Then you can plan accordingly.
Okay.
Yes, Purti. Projects are like underlinked. For example, 1 second. 1 second. Yes, here is our curriculum. If you see our curriculum here, for every topic you are learning, you will do some exercises here. For every topic, you will do some assignments, some mock exam and mock interviews. For every topic to topic, once the topic got completed, there is projects, and then after that there is some more projects. 1 second. And after this, all these projects, there is some big projects, and we have like lot of data sets, and we have the real client data sets, not like the Google one. Okay. For every topic, there is some case studies. Everything is like in real time format. Fine. Any questions from anyone? Shall I move to the next topic? Okay.
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you. So a 5-year career plan. So to know this, just go to a website called Glassdoor. Go to salaries. Search for junior data scientist. Hyderabad location. So today you are starting your career as a junior data scientist. So after 1 year, see here, you are starting with 0 to 1 years, you will get something somewhere between 5 to 8. After that, you will become a data scientist. After that, senior data scientist. After that, lead data scientist. After that, principal data scientist. After that, senior principal data scientist. And then like director of data science, senior director of data science, vice president of data science. These roles are varying from company to company, and chief data scientist. So 5-6 months back, for 8+ years of chief data scientist, the salary is around 80 lakh and 80. But now that decreased to 54. So this is the reason, like the main reason for this is like the recession happening in the market, but it will up again. See, recession is more common in IT industry. For every 2 to 3 years, we will feel this type of recession. 2021 is like a dream year for IT industry. And one of our students got 23 lakhs package, and 23 lakhs package in data science, and that is from a company based on Singapore. And many of the students in 2021 got packages like 5 LPA, 8 LPA, like a jujube type. But now the market is little dull, but it is going to increase. Once the US elections got completed in the next couple of months, automatically the hiring will be up. Because now there is election code running in US, and they're not providing any grants to the companies. Once that completed, they will release the grants to the companies, and the company will start hiring the talented pool once they got the money. And that is where the like entire IT industry is waiting for that. Once the US elections completed, definitely we will see like a bit improvement. But by that time, you need to be good with the skills. Suppose if you start learning once the market is ready, for learning it takes another 6 months time, you are losing the opportunities. You need to be ready to enter to the market once the market got started. So to make that happen, it's a time for you all to get started. And that social pressure, as we take very less students. See, if I take 100 students or 200 students, there is nothing like a learn till you get placed. There is nothing like job guarantee. There is nothing like internships. Nothing. We can just provide the course, and we can say them that it's an assistance program. It's a safe game, but we are not ready to do that. So from the last 3 years, we are taking only 1 batch per month, that with only 15 students. Before that, we had like batches with 50 numbers, 100 numbers even. But later on, we thought like this is not the right way to learn data science. That's the reason we customized the batches. Okay. So we have like 2 milestones. One is like getting the skill. That is the primary priority one. After that, utilizing that skill to earn money as a full-time jobber and also freelancer. Okay. And coming to the 5-year career plan, I just showed you, your roles will start like junior data scientist. After that, senior data scientist. After that, senior data scientist, lead data scientist, principal data scientist, and then director of data science and chief data scientist. So this is how your roles will be for the next 5 to 8 years. Every year to year, you can expect a minimum 30% hike if you are in the current company, and you can expect up to 50 to 80% hike when you move out of the company. You can go to any new company joins. And once the market will be back, your salaries will be sky high, because that is what happened in the previous years. Okay. So we need to have good knowledge with good patience. All you will have a beautiful career in data domain, because this is nowhere, and like it won't go anywhere for the next 10 years. You will be the hottest in the market if you have data analytics, data science, and AI skills with you. Okay, let's move to the last
Sir,
point of yes,
sir,
please.
one question. Sir,
Yes,
I'm having a example 12 plus years of experience. Okay.
good.
The profile here, they look for director data scientist or chief data scientist, right? Right. So in these 5-7 months, like I can get ready for that kind of role.
You are 12 years experience into, sir?
Into software development.
Okay,
No,
fine.
actually I'm a principal consultant, like a manager level.
Okay. See, for experienced profiles, I can give you the best guidance if you share me your detailed resume. So here I am sharing you my WhatsApp number.
Sure.
Because based on the domain you are working, based on the tools you are using, I can customize it. I'm going to tell you how you can mold your past experience to this, because we need
Okay.
one connecting point. And see, people
Yes.
who are working on Oracle database, they are easily becoming data scientists. People who are working on SQL, Python, they can easily become data scientists. But people who are
Yes.
working on some other non-data skills, we need one
Okay.
lead point, and that I will get once I see your detailed resume.
Yeah, I am working in Oracle only, sir, from last 7 years.
Okay, good.
Okay.
See, I just showed you like Oracle started hiring freshers. Just
Yes.
we seen the post yesterday.
Yes.
Good. And
Hiring got started, sir. Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
This is one of the positive sign, right, sir? Because if you talk about Oracle, will they started hiring this type of roles previously?
No, sir. No.
6 months back, 9 months back? No.
Freshers data scientist, no.
Okay.
Yes.
Freshers
Actually,
itself a no thing, I think.
they will plan only once in a year, sir. They will open hiring for 4 months and they will close the hiring in Oracle.
Okay. Good.
So if hiring happens, no, then it's a positive sign.
Okay. Yes. Just like I just shocked by seeing yesterday a post about the Oracle, and immediately I taken the link and I have shared that to my students, saying that please apply fast. Whenever
Okay.
openings like this, it is like a hot cake, right? Within minutes, the
Yeah.
openings will close. Yes, sir. Okay, share me your profile once, sir. I will go through that, and we can have a detailed phone call after this.
Sure, sir. Now I will share.
Okay. Others, any more questions till now? Is this clear? Let's move to the last point of the session: how to become a freelance AI engineer. So, to become a freelance AI engineer, you can take few topics, because an entire topics you are learning is not required. And you need to pick some topics like NLP, chatbot development, ML model development, and data analysis. So you need to be good with this type of 4 services, and that you will get once you will start the internship, because internship is a place where you will build the own chatbots using IBM Watson tools, Google Dialog flows, and also you can use our internal Vajra AI platform to develop and deploy the models. And also coming to the machine learning model development, we have third-party tools. We recently tied up with a company called Viapas.ai. One second. Sorry, not this one. One second. Andy. So this tool will help you out to deploy your models. Andy. One second. Yes, Vipas.ai. So by using this tool, you can deploy your own machine learning models. So we tied up with this company where you can deploy your own models, and you will work on the models and you will deploy models based on the industry. So here you can showcase this to the recruiters once you get going for the interviews. Yeah. Fine. So where we are, yes. So you need to be good with all of these technologies, and that you will get once the internship started. Once you complete this, we will teach you a website called fever.com. Fever.com, Upwork.com, Paperhour.com, Freelancer.com, Remote.com. There are websites like this By using this, there is something like switch to selling, and you can sell your services. And suppose, let's assume that I am Mahesh from Delhi. I have a small hospital, and for my hospital, there is a website. But I don't have any telecallers to assist the customers. Whoever visiting my website, I need to showcase them a chatbot where it will solve all the questions of my customers. Now I need a person who can build a chatbot and who can integrate that with my application. So for this, I will choose a site called fever.com, and here I will search for AI chatbot developer. AI chatbot development. See here, these are the people all over the globe who can provide services for AI chatbot development. Some are charging 35,000, 7,000, 2 lakhs, 7,000, again 8,000, 7,000, 26,000, again 8,000. See, there are three types of earnings from fever.com. One is like you can charge per hour, per day, per project. Per hour varies from 400 INR, 400 to 2,000 per hour. If it is per day project, you need to work for at least 4 hours and you can charge as 8,000 rupees per day. Per project is like it's anything, and based on the complexity of the project. Let's assume that you started your career as a freelancer and you are charging just 1,000 rupees per hour as a beginner, 1,000 INR per hour. If you work for 2 hours per day, you can earn another 2,000 per day into 20 days, 40K. You are not going anywhere. You are just going to job from morning 9 to evening 6. After once you reach home, daily night 9 to 11 or 8 to 10, spend your extra time to earn some extra money. And you are not doing this with out of the subject. You are doing this with your own subject. Okay. Yes, someone is trying to speak to me.
Mahesh, sorry to interrupt. So the NLP chatbot, this is covered under AI, right? Not the
Yes.
data science part of it,
No,
right?
no, no. Data science, no, it's covered under AI.
Okay.
Fine. So with this skill set, you can become a data scientist. You can also work on data analytics projects. See, if you go to Fever, search for data analysis, there are many who are offering that services. See, this is digital era, and simple. You can sell your skill and you can earn money. So these are the people who are working on data analysis. I will do complete survey data analysis and giving you amazing reports. See here. And for this, he is charging 7,000 rupees as a basic price. And someone see, I will do data analysis, dashboard, and reports on Excel spreadsheet, and he is charging 2,000 rupees. As per your knowledge, as per your networking, as per your communicating with the clients, you can charge anything. Kani, ultimately, your goal need to be like learning the skill and earning from that. Job is like the primary one. And we will schedule for the interviews and you will go for the interview, we will crack it up. Apart from that, we can also help you out to build your freelancing profile. Yeah, we will tell you that at the end of the program. It's not mandatory for everyone. It is only if you are interested. We are not here to force you everything. Okay, fine. So you are learning the skill first and you are earning from that in two ways. One is from the job and one is from the freelancing. And no one is telling all this so that you can take help of us. And as the batch size is also very less, right? 15 people per month. It's like very, very easy thing. Yes, please. Someone is talking.
Can you again please touch upon what is being covered under data scientist thing? Can you just
So for
scroll
data
down?
scientists, we are covering everything under SQL, Power BI, Tableau, MS Excel, Python, machine learning, stats, and mathematics.
Okay.
And for AI, extra is like NLP, deep learning, computer vision. And for AWS, we are teaching for all these people. Data analytics, there is AWS classes. Data science, we have AWS classes because model deployment is very important. And for data analysts, why we are teaching AWS is like if they have any cloud skill, AWS or Azure, they are eligible for data engineering roles. Data engineering, data analyst, both are interlinked.
So when
That's
it
the
comes to
reason
the
we are teaching
market,
these
how is
AWS.
Google doing?
Yes, there is some disturbance happening. Can you please put off mic? Spurti, yeah, fine.
So Mahesh,
Yes, Srikanth.
how is Google doing in the market right now?
Google means you are asking about Google Cloud, GCP.
Yes.
It is in very early stage. The problem with GCP is like we are having a lot of issues with that. There is no much innovation in that, and the pricing are like very high for Google compared to Azure and AWS. So AWS is like a king where many organizations are already using it. Azure is like growing with high speed right now. Recently, we got a call from Azure saying that they are offering us like around $1 lakh for free and cloud credits for Vajra.ai. But I rejected it because we got AWS credits from NVIDIA. We got around like 1.2 lakh credits almost. So we are using that, and I rejected Azure's proposal. Azure, what is doing is like it is pitching all the startups who is working on AI, cloud, and all, and they're offering cloud credits, free credits. That's the reason Azure is getting more traction right now. And AWS is already a king. So because of these two, GCP is not growing much, and the cost of GCP is very high. It's not that good right. But maybe in future we can't estimate, right? 2 years back, Azure is nowhere, but now Azure is almost competing with AWS. Okay.
So how different will it be when it comes to deployment with AWS and Azure?
Almost similar, na? What all the options we have with AWS, all the same available with Azure, and all the same is available with GCP, but the name is different. You are calling something
So
as A in Azure, you will getting same as B in AWS.
so when you're talking about deployment, you also teach the Terraform and CI/CD pipelines,
No,
automating
no,
them
we
and
teach
stuff
you
like that.
CI/CD pipeline, and for deployment, we'll teach you Docker technology. That's it. Because for data scientists, that is more than enough. You are building the machine learning model, and for deployment, we will teach you either Docker with connecting the CI/CD pipeline. Terraform, Kubernetes is not covered. If you need it, we have cloud course separately. I can pitch you that.
Okay. And one in CI/CD pipelines, what is that you will touch upon?
So we will teach you complete Jenkins.
Okay.
Jenkins, and if you are interested, we can also go with like Ansible, but it's not. Ansible is like only for the big organizations right now. Jenkins is where like even startups are doing that.
All right.
Fine.
Got
Other
it.
any more questions regarding data science, data analytics, CI? Is this session got helped you a little bit, at least 5% to get some knowledge? And we are offering you 3 trial classes from the trainer on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can have a direct interaction with the trainer. You can get the knowledge and you can ask him questions and you can check him everything a day. There is no limit for that.
So what will be the timings of this course?
We not yet finalized. Sorry for that. We can give you that confirmation by today evening. We have a
Okay.
meeting with trainer at 2 p.m. today. Once I'm done with that, I can give you the exact timings, and Divya will be in touch with you and she can give you all the details.
Okay, and this data analysis and data science together, it is 4-month course, right?
Yes, 4 months course. And sometimes, and now the festival season is coming up, right? Like Dashara,
Right.
Diwali, and all. So sometimes it takes bit extra 1 or 2 weeks.
Okay. So even the data analysis and data sciences are starting parallelly?
Yeah, we can arrange that. Not a problem.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because we
Let's
have
get back.
right now there is around 8 batches are going on from 4 trainers.
Understood.
So I can arrange you that as per your time constraint.
Understood. Will it be too difficult if I take it parallelly?
Nothing much because data analytics is very easy, right? So you need to put
Right.
some bit focus on data science, especially statistics and mathematics. It will be good, nothing much, because we are seeing many people from who are going to study abroad. They don't have much time, so they're taking parallel courses, and there is nothing much difference.
All right. Got it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Right. Fine, guys. Others, any more questions, or shall I close the session? Okay.
Sir, I'll send
Yes,
you the
please.
profile, sir. Okay.
Yeah, please do that, and I will just
I'll
go
call
through that.
you as soon as this session
Sure,
about.
sure. Just give me 10 minutes time, and you can have a call again. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Oh, thank you, Andy. Fine, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for being here till the end of the session. I'm hoping a best career for every one of you in the couple of months. All the very best. Thank you all.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Venkat.